Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's check out how to switch from personal to business accounting in Wave so that you can manage your finances for your business instead of just your personal expenses. Let's dive in. First, log into your Wave account. If you're still on personal account, you want to click on the gear icon that's in the bottom left corner to open settings. Now in the settings menu, find the business settings section. Here you're going to see an option to switch to business accounting. Click on this option. You will then be prompted to enter your business details, including of course your business name, address, and other necessary information. Once you've filled out the form, click save to switch to business accounting mode. This will allow you to start tracking income, expenses, and more for your business. That's all there is to it. Now your Wave account is set up for business accounting. In the next video, we're going to talk about how to activate or close your Wave account if you ever need to do so. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And we'll see you in the next one.